Are you looking for the best beach carts and wagon? In this video we will look at some of the best beach carts and wagon on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. MacSports Collapsible Folding Outdoor Utility Wagon. Weston also likes this more affordable MacSports wagon, which has proved popular with hundreds of strategist readers over the years as well. Unlike our best overall pick above, this wagon has smaller wheels that are evenly weighted rather than triangulated. Weston says it folds completely flat and can carry a lot of weight. While combing the more than 5,000 reviews for this beach wagon, we noticed the two consistent points of praise are its durability and convenience. Other things to like, according to those reviewers, include an easy-to-steer handle, the wagon's foldable construction, and its generous size. At number 2. MacSports Collapsible Folding Outdoor Beach Wagon with Side Table. Strategist senior editor Kayleen Schaefer has spent several seasons honing her on-the-sand setup, which includes a beloved Shabumi beach shade. To cart all of their gear to the perfect spot each time, her boyfriend, Julian Ducastel, invested in this MacSports wagon that features a built-in side table with 2 drink holders and space for food. While they both think the wagon is great, Ducastel notes that the big wheels make this wagon more difficult to store in a car. If you think you would have similar issues, the MacSports wagon above has a much smaller set. At number 3. MacSports Beach Day Lounger. As readers of this site know, we're always looking for ingeniously designed products, especially ones made so thoughtfully they can be used in multiple ways. So as we trolled the internet researching beach wagons, it shouldn't be too surprising to hear that this one, which becomes an actual beach chair, stopped us in our tracks. While some wagons on this list can be converted to become more like chairs, this one is designed to transform into the exact style of lounger you would otherwise tote with you. MacSports says this model, when locked into its wagon shape, easily rolls over grass, pavement, or sand thanks to its rugged wheels, which can hold up to 100 pounds. Once you've found your spot, the cart can be folded out into a lounger with a built-in pillow headrest for added comfort and can support even more weight. As a chair, it holds up to 225 pounds. At number 4. Radio Flyer Trav-ler Stroll and Wagon. Radio Flyer's sturdy rubber-wheeled wagons are designed to carry the most precious cargo of all, your toddlers. They have received the stamp of approval from no less than 3 strategist moms: editor Alexis Swerdloff, contributing editor Jessica Sylvester, and writer Lauren Rowe, all of whom personally use them with their own kiddos. Taking up not much more space than a regular stroller, these feature safety harnesses, cup holders, a shade canopy, and brakes. There's a removable rear storage bag for stashing snacks and other beach day bits.